Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use an old-school espresso maker. First, always ensure your machine is sparkling clean and all components are properly assembled. Next, fill the water reservoir with fresh, cold water, typically up to a marked maximum fill line. This ensures optimal brewing temperature and taste. Position your espresso maker on a stable, heat-resistant surface, conveniently close to an electrical outlet for safe operation. This foundational setup is crucial for a perfect espresso experience. Now, let's prepare your coffee. Choose high-quality, fresh coffee beans and grind them to a fine, consistent texture, similar to table salt. This grind size is essential for proper extraction. Carefully fill the portafilter basket evenly with about 7 to 8 grams of your freshly ground coffee. Then, using a tamper, apply approximately 30 pounds of pressure to create a level, compact puck. This ensures even water flow and a rich, flavorful shot. With your coffee prepared, it's time to brew. Securely attach the portafilter to the group head, ensuring a tight seal. Turn on your espresso machine and allow it to heat thoroughly, typically for 15 to 20 minutes, reaching the optimal brewing temperature of around 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Once heated, initiate the brew cycle. Aim for an extraction time of 25 to 30 seconds, yielding approximately 1 to 1.5 ounces of rich, aromatic espresso. Proper cleaning ensures longevity and consistent flavor. Immediately after each use, remove the portafilter and discard the spent coffee puck. Rinse the portafilter and the group head thoroughly with hot water to remove any coffee oils and residue. This prevents buildup and maintains hygiene. Finally, wipe down the exterior of your espresso machine with a damp cloth. Regular cleaning, perhaps a quick rinse after each shot, keeps your old-school espresso maker in excellent working condition for years.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.